Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dinesh Mahamuni from University Malaysia Perlis. Today, I'm going to discuss about our research project Harumanis Mangoose storage system using infrared sensor. My team members is Muhammad Afizul Hakim Azlan, Muhammad Izzuddin Johari, and Miss Munira Muhammad Nazari. In Perlis, the average production of Harumanis harvest once a year between April to July, and a single tree can yield up 50 kg of fruits. For a farmer with just 100 trees at the conservative 20 ringgit per kg, a single season can bring in 100,000 ringgit. The infrared sensor is created in order to minimize manpower and indicate empty space. The background of this project is improvement on the storage system to help them improve storage system with the minimum cost by implement infrared sensor. The objective of this project to develop smart storage system that indicate empty space, to provide efficient and easy to use storage system, and to manage storage inventory. Scope of this work is to develop of the system is using infrared sensor system targeted for small medium enterprises, Perlis community, and competitive in infrared 4.0. From the literature review, we learn the Internet of Things provide temperature and humidity sensor monitoring the system environment. Likewise, temperature-sensitive foods are stored under appropriate conditions, which defer inspection failure. The Internet of Things gadgets can deal with an entire host of functional and quality control strategies for food processor. The incorporative the volume of various taps begin handles, the temperature of the prepared things, the pressing factor levels of tint things, and in the any events applying names to items. The impact on the implementation of fourth industrial revolution in storage management system, enterprises and business are digitalized, profitable and sustainable. Manufacturing systems and services are real-time capable, virtualized and service-oriented. The design project framework set storage programming based on first in, first out.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Izzuddin Johari from CAD Design Department from my team. Want to present to you about Harumanis story that we designed. Firstly, our story design based on the Harumanis board that was available mostly in our market. The board was 30 cm length, 70 cm width and 16 cm height. So we create the first compartment that's suitable for the size of this board. A compartment about 90 cm length, 27 cm height and 35 cm width, and we can put about 5 box per compartment. Then we design the top for next compartment to attach. Our story design of course can be the infrared sensor for detect the box. We put the sensor on the top and create cover to protect and increase the detection system for the box. Then we build the wiring line we cover in order to create the user safety net. The wiring line going through the compartment wall and connect to the integrated circuit box. For the box, we built to protect the user for any electric shock for precaution of course. The base of middle compartment is about 2 cm thick to support all the weight of Harumanis box. And for lower compartment, the design just like first compartment that we designed. All just the same design, but the base we add the height 10 cm from the floor. So the base stick about 12 cm all. It is important for the safety of the food. Physically, we build the story based on the space that we want it fixed. For example, the layer of compartment can be added based on the height of the room we have, so that we can save some space and more box can be stored. Now we go to the sensor and wiring line. In one compartment, we had 5 boxes, so the sensor need to have 5 also. If you can see the sensor arranged in a row just on top of every box. The system just like an accounting system where we had log in and log out of the item. The sensor will detect to tell the user how and where the store is and what the time it's being stored or out from the storage. Then we design the wiring line in order to connect all of the compartments so that the sensor would work and provide the data to the user. Each compartment we designed to attach by layer, and this section bar is our design in safety net of compartment to avoid fault or breaks. We are aware of the story designed to be reliable, affordable, manageable, and different from other products. That's all from me, the CAP department. Thank you for your time.
My name is Muhammad Hafizah Kimamazlan. Now I will present the last part of the presentation. I will show you two videos. I will play the first video. As you can see, the LCD display 1 occupied and 2 empty when the sensor detects the absence of object. Now I will play the second video. As you can see, when the sensor detects the object, the LCD will display in, the time, and the date of in. But when the object taken out, the LCD will display out, the time, and date the object is taken out. Based on the two videos that I show, we can conclude that an infrared sensor emits and detects infrared radiation to sense its surroundings. The basic concept of an infrared sensor, which is used as obstacle detector, is to transmit an infrared signal. This infrared signal bounces from the surface of an object, and the signal is retrieved at the infrared receiver and will display at the LCD. The output data. We can see that with the help of the IR sensor in the rack, it can help people in the food industry to detect the date, the in item quantity, and their time. They also can detect the out item quantity and their time. Lastly, the last item that remain in the storage also can be detected. Next, the costing of our project. We use infrared sensor, Arduino Uno, resistor, and jumper wire. The total cost of our project is 101.32.
That's all from us. Thank you.